Hi everyone, this is Joanna. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to make something quick and easy, the lazy girl lunch or dinner. You can take it to work. It's like a Greek souvlaki, but easier. And yeah, let's see what you need to... That's very close, sorry guys. I'll show you what you need. I'm going to show you what you need for the filling. So it's like a souvlaki, so you need pita and meat. So I brought some meatballs, British beef meatballs, and I'm going to simmer some onion and some red pepper in some pesto sauce. What do I have here? I have basil. What do I have? Tomato and basil sauce. And I'm going to use spices, so black pepper, cumin, curry powder, and a little bit of paprika, sea salt and olive oil. So I'm going to cook the meatball in all this sauce, and then when the meatballs are ready, I'm going to show you what I'm going to add. When the meatballs are ready, I'm going to add lettuce, some, what are they called? Mini Bell cheese, some Greek yogurt, and I'm going to put my meatballs in this tortilla stuffing bread like that instead of pita bread, because I don't have any pita bread. So these are the ingredients you need, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to make my sauce and stuff. So let's begin. So I've put a little bit of olive oil in a pot so you can see how much olive oil. Just covered the bottom, and the temperature, the heating is at number 5, so it's pretty strong. And I'm going to simmer the onions and the peppers in that, so I'll show you in a bit. I just want them to be nice and soft before I throw in the meatballs. Now I've chucked everything in the pot, and I lowered the heat a little bit, so I put it down to 4, and I'm just going to stir it for a while and wait for it just to soften a bit before I put the meatballs in there. Okay, so my onions are nice and soft and the pepper's quite soft, so I'm going to add the meatballs now. Gonna add the meatballs just to simmer a little bit and change color a bit, and then I will add the tomato sauce. So you just mixed everything's boiling. I'm going to cover them. So yeah. They're still not the color I want them, and I added a little bit of olive oil because it wasn't enough. Like, this is what I want it to look like. So I added 2 pinches of curry powder, 1 pinch of black powder, and like about 2 tablespoons of cumin, because I like it. It depends on if you like it or not. And I've added them to the into the pot, and now I'm going to add the tomato sauce. Tomato sauce added, and because I have a little bit left in the jar, I'm going to put some water in here and just get the rest of the tomato sauce out of it and just put it in the pot. So there you have it. Now I'm going to let this boil for about 20 minutes, and then I'll let you know what's going on. See if the meatballs are ready. They are so quiet now. They're boiling. You can see me and my camera. So yeah, I'll let you know how this goes. So my meatballs are almost ready. I've been cooking them for about 35 minutes, not 20. So keep that in mind. I'll leave the recipe, how long it took me to make this, in the description box. Sorry about the fan. Hang on, I'll turn that off on me. Okay, so yeah, as I was saying, I was cooking for 35 minutes, not 30. And then I'm going to show you where I'm going to put everything. So these are 2 little, what are they called? I don't even know. Taco, I don't know, boats. And I'm going to stick the meatballs in there. And as I said, Mini Bell's lettuce. And I'm going to top them with some Greek yogurt. And then I'm going to put paprika on top. So it's going to be yummy. I'll show you in a bit. So I put some lettuce at the bottom. And now I'm going to put some meatballs. So I put 3 meatballs in each one, and I put a little bit of cheese in the middle, in between, just to make sure that the cheese melts. I'm going to put a little bit more lettuce and some yogurt. And yogurt on the top, a little bit of paprika, and there you have it, the Greek style taco boaty thingy. I don't even know what it is. It's gonna be yummy. And it's going to be very messy. So I'm probably going to put like aluminium foil, whatever, around it and try to eat it like that. So it doesn't go everywhere like a gyro. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know if you try this, what you thought. And I will see you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe. See you. Bye.